Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video we will talk about some important thing that would be very helpful for you. Now we will talk about the importance of English language. This language is very important for you, and because this is a global language, and in India this is very important because this is not our mother tongue, but still anywhere this language using very well. This language very using too much in this country. You can see anywhere. You can see in medical line, and you can see in education. You can see engineering. In any sector, you can see that this language is using too much. You can see in police station, you if you go police station, and you if you go uh, in court, you can see anywhere this language using very much. If you are Indian, this language is compulsory for you. So if you want to learn this language, you have to first fix your goal. You will fix your goal, then your mind will be prepared to learn something new daily. So you have to first fix your goal to learn English language. And the second is the routine. You have to make a good routine to learn English language. You don't have to fear to mistakes, because everyone make mistake when they starting. And also I am making mistake, but I make little bit mistake. I have been working in this way from 10 months, so I am making little bit mistake. When I was a beginner also I was making mistake. So if you are a beginner, so you will make definitely mistake, and you have to don't fear to making mistake, and you have to be continue in your journey. If you really want to be fluent in English language, and really you want to learn English language, then you have to make a, a English speaking partner. You have to definitely make a English speaking partner. You can search by the way, you can make English partner online, and you can make by Telegram. And if you have any friends that can be partner of your English speaking, then you can make. If you don't have any English partner, then you can use your mobile phone, and you have to install chat GTP, and you have to talk with that, so that you can practice with that anytime. So this is the important thing. You have to watch a video daily. It can be broadcast, and you can watch any movie, English movie, and you can also watch the lecture of English speaking. But you have to continue watching. You have to continue watch a video daily, on your daily basis. You have to watch continue, right? It will make you perfect. And you have to also listen daily. If you do these things that I have tell you, that I have suggested you, then definitely you will be fluent in English language. And then anywhere you can go, and you can talk with any person in English language, and you will not face anywhere any problem when you will learn English language. So thank you so much to watching my video.